How to change your video category on your YouTube channel on PC. Hello guys, so first thing you have to do is simple. Please follow with me until the end. First thing, click here and go to YouTube Studio, and after you go to YouTube Studio, now click on content right here. As you can see, after you click on content on this page, you will find all your uploaded videos, and all what you have to do is choose the video that you want to change the category of. I'm gonna choose this one and click on it like this, and now scroll down, click on show more, scroll down again, and here you will find this category option and choose the category that you want. For example, this video is about films, so I'm gonna choose film and animation and click save like this. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.